Let's start with our first program with Sphero Bolt. Get into the app, and at the bottom, pick up the program option, and on the top, go to Micro Programs, and press the little plus, the cross sign over here, and select the correct options over here. So you are using Sphero Bolt, and you are using blocks to program it. And now create. So get a new program. So before we move forward, make sure you want to rename it, right? So to make it your own program, so it's not over here. It's actually, you have to make one step back. And the problem here is that you can see if you do not rename it, it's going to be a, just untitled program, and making it really hard to recognize what is inside later on. So let's get into it and go to here, edit program, and move to the bottom side. You can see the title, you can change it over here. Delete the original name being given to the program. Let's just call it animation. What about that? Since we are going to create LED animation on the boat without any motions, just LED light. So animation. Next, description. I don't need it. So directly press this little option here to save it. And go to view program. And you can see that it already shows you on start program. So what you want to do is find the LED light option. So you can see every tag here has multiple functions you can pick up. So for example, if I pick up light, it uses a green color to show you all these functions that belongs to this category. So I'm gonna pick up matrix animation. I'm gonna pick up this one and put it here, snap it to the start program bar, and I'm gonna press it very lightly, and you can come into this editing page. So press this pen tag. Oh no, you should create a new animation first. So press this plus sign to create a new animation. So it's defining frame by frame. So a frame is one static image in the animation. So if you play a series of images really quickly, it looks like the image is moving. So the character or the little animals or whatever in the video is moving, but actually it's not. It's just a moving frame. So you can see that the LED panel over here is exactly the same layout as what you have on Sphero Bolt. And you can define which LED you want to light up. You can even change the colors of the LEDs. Let's just pick up red color. And you can see originally they are black. So black means the LED is off, right? So black is off. So keep in mind, this white color is not off. White color is going to give you a white LED. So you are going to see something. But black, if you pick up black, you can, erase the previous settings. So let's just pick up right. So what I'm going to create over here is a square, and for one frame, and the next frame will be a smaller sized square. And so it looks like the square is shrinking and then expanding, shrinking, expanding, something like that. So let's draw it first. So I'm going to draw a square. That's the first frame. So start with a large square. And now I'm going to press this one, move to the next frame. Not the next frame, this is for the movement. I need to press this plus sign to move to the next frame in the video. And it's going to be a smaller square. And the next one, even smaller. Wait, I think I didn't make it right. And next one, even smaller. All right. And then I'm going to expand it. Next one. Next one. So it's going to be a really simple animation. So I'm done. And what I will do is I will press this one to confirm it. And another thing you want to do is you want to come back here to set up the frame rate. So which means how fast you want to make the transitions between all these LED squares. So go to here. Do you need 10 frames per second or you need a 30 frames per second? It's going to show you a different effect for the animation. Let's just pick up like something around 10. I think this is fine. And confirm it. And now it's ready to run it. So let's get started. It's just letting me reconnect to the robot. I think it's just automatically getting the sleep mode since I didn't do anything to the robot for this period of time. So now it's ready to start. Let's start it. Okay, it's gonna be something like this. All right, let's try to increase the frame rate and you'll see what's gonna happen. Over here, make it fast. All right, run. All right, so it's changing faster between all these frames. Stop. So this is the first program we are going to play with, and I'm gonna let you guys to create your own animation, and I will ask some of you to show it to us later on. Okay? Hopefully we can get this done on our side. We'll see you in the next video.